From an innovative electric wagon fitted with a powerful motor and electric drive, perfect for diverse outdoor pursuits like camping, gardening, shopping, or transportation, to a kit enabling the construction of 7 distinct robots through an inventive blend of technology and imagination. These groundbreaking advancements of 2024 promise to astound you completely. Ecoflow Blade Robotic. Compared to standard lawnmowers, the Ecoflow Blade Robotic stands out with its advanced features. This state-of-the-art technology utilizes optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS to scan the lawn, identify obstacles, and determine the optimal mowing path. With the optional yard sweeper kit, it can also clean up debris without requiring boundary or cable installation. The Ecoflow app enables easy management of mowing limits, cutting height, battery life, and location tracking from a smartphone. The robotic mower can handle steep slopes up to 27 degrees, has a wide cutting width, and front wheels that maneuver in any direction. For a limited time, it's available for $2,649 or with a lawn sweeper kit for $3,199. Brace yourself for an unparalleled and electrifying adventure brimming with cutting-edge gadgets and awe-inspiring innovations. Hold on to your seat as the most electrifying breakthroughs of 2024 are set to leave you utterly stunned and amazed. PESA H2 Loco. The Pro PESA H2 Loco is a groundbreaking shunting locomotive powered by hydrogen fuel cells, showcasing PESA's dedication to eco-friendly rail technology. As the world's first of its kind, it achieves speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour and can haul trains weighing up to 3,200 tons. With a 650 kilowatt power output, it operates for 15 hours before refueling. Its sleek design places the driver centrally and includes autonomous driving and anti-collision systems. Designed for shunting in green ports and intermodal terminals, it emits zero emissions. Expected in 2024 at around $5 million, it's the ideal choice for environmentally conscious, reliable, and robust shunting locomotives. Apple Vision Pro. The Vision Pro offers more than just a camera. It represents a bridge between the digital and physical worlds, ushering in a new era of computing. Users can interact with apps, entertainment, images, videos, and more using their eyes, hands, and voice. With Vision Pro, you can work and play on an expansive canvas, immerse yourself in theater experiences, relive memories in 3 dimensions, and collaborate with others in the same room. Its revolutionary design includes a bespoke micro OLED screen, dual-chip architecture, eye tracking, and spatial audio, all powered by Vision OS, the world's first spatial operating system. Positioned as the most cutting-edge consumer electronics product from Apple, the Vision Pro retails for $2,999 and is currently available for purchase. Experience the forefront of computing with Apple Vision. Airspeeder Crude. The Airspeeder MK4 is a hydrogen-electric aircraft boasting a top speed of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds and an anticipated range of 300 kilometers on a single charge. Weighing only 950 kilograms, it handles with the agility of a Formula One car, powered by up to 1,340 horsepower. Debuting in 2024, it represents the pinnacle of motorsport innovation, with pricing ranging from $1.5 million to $1.7 million. Experience the future of racing with the Airspeeder MK4. Doppelmayr Garaventa. Doppelmayr Garaventa is a leading provider of people movers, offering a wide range of transportation solutions globally. With over 15,400 installations across 96 countries, they specialize in cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, and funiculars. Their focus on technology, quality, and safety ensures reliable, effective, and eco-conscious products. Offering full-service solutions from planning to maintenance, Doppelmayr Garaventa is a trusted partner for both large and small-scale projects, with typical installation costs ranging from $1 million to $100 million. Prepare to be electrified because not one, but two of the most electrifying breakthroughs of 2024 are on their way, ready to leave you completely speechless with awe. Get ready for an experience like no other. Got Robotic Kit. The Got Robotic Kit offers easy construction of 7 different robots, featuring innovative technology and a modular design. Users can effortlessly personalize their creations with open-source hardware. It serves as a robust learning tool with advanced features like bionic mobility and speech recognition, ensuring comprehensive control through integrated CPU, GPU, and NPU chips. Priced at $256 on Kickstarter, it's transforming robotics education. Livy E Wagon. The Livy E Wagon W1 Pro is an electric wagon with a 500-watt motor and electric propulsion, ideal for outdoor activities like camping and gardening. It offers durability, spaciousness, and a load-bearing capacity of up to 132 pounds with a 200-liter capacity. Featuring a drop-down tailgate for easy loading, it's foldable for convenient storage in your trunk. Available on Amazon for $499, it's a versatile solution for all your transportation needs.